Hey everyone, so I've got my adhesive relief patches here. Now each box actually has camphor, menthol, and methyl salicylate. Now there, you can see here we've got several patches here. I actually have a total of 8 packets right through here, and each packet actually has 7 adhesive patches on here. What you're going to do is you're going to pull this off. You see here, you can take it off. And then you're going to go ahead and put this on the affected area. It can last up to 8 hours. As I open this up, I can definitely smell the menthol and the camphor. And what I like about it too is if you just use one of these packets, when you put it back in and you don't need the rest, it actually has Ziploc in here. So that way you can go ahead and seal it up really well. So this is definitely something you can go ahead and put in your vehicle, your purse, of course in your bathroom, just wherever you're going to be needing it, especially if you're traveling around. This is very, very handy. But I like that it's just really easy to use, and you just put it on the affected area and you're ready to go.